Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Safira Dia Azhara with final name 130 class PDD. I am here to make a final exams video about my struggle to become a UNY student. This is my story. Initially, I was chosen to be one of the SNPP students. My first choice was Indonesian Literary Language Education at UNY, but I was rejected. I didn't give up at that time. I want to prove that I could go to challenge this year. I followed SNBT and chose Indonesian Literary Language Education at UNY again. I studied every night from SNBT before, but it was an malup to be upset, so I was rejected again. I didn't want to register for UNY again. I applied to another campus, but there was one of my friends who really supported and encouraged me to try to register for UNY one last time. At the time, the university entrance path was only independent campus and domicile CPT. Because I thought a lot about whether to register again or not. I ended up being led to register for campus CPT. I was very pessimistic about the future, whether I could go to college this year or not. But I am grateful because I have parents who are very supportive and encouraging. After being confused about the future, I got news that the CPT domicile registration was still open. I quickly did not waste time. I registered for regional language education at UNY, and finally I was accepted in UNY regional language education study program through the CPT domicile route. Before that, I had registered for about 4 campus. There were 2 campus that accepted me at the same time, one of which was UNY. That's all my story. I hope it can motivate you. My message is take all the opportunities that exist and don't be afraid to fall. And don't give up. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.